My admiration for you is like a continuous surging river! Stupid woman! I'm giving you face by taking fancy to you! Don't refuse a toast only to be forced to drink a forfeit!
Thank you for your help, Immortal. Seeing that your equipment is rather plain.
Level rewards unlocked. Reach new levels to claim generous rewards.
Our Qingqiu has been closed for a long time, so we don't know much about the outside world. Perhaps you can go to the village and find the village chief. She might have a way.
So you're the one who injured my subordinate. Despicable outsiders. Ho Qing, show them some colors! This demon has plenty of spiritual power. I feel I'm one step closer to unsealing. Huh? What is this treasure?
I saw everything. As outsiders, acting tyrannically in Qingqiu and entering our Eagle Guard. What audacity!
让小爷来会会你。
You've obtained a path here to star up mounts.
Village Chief, I advise you to be smart and hand over the demon seal. My master, Grandmaster Puagu, has mastered the Pangu divine art. Be careful, or he might get angry and stew that old fox to make a scarf. fox actually gave the treasure to her vile spawn with great you! Just you wait. I won't let you off.
I fear Qingqiu will no longer be peaceful. I see. As far as I know, the Vermilion's bird's fire can dispel the Candle Dragon's yin. Our clan has deep ties with the great Yu sect. Perhaps I can help the Vermilion bird immortal and seal. It seems we're still 3 points short, but I have no other way. You might as well go to Wonghai Cliff north of Qingzhou and ask the Holy Ancestor for help.
Seal if you don't want to be eaten by it. You really have some skills. It seems my master will have to take action. Follow me if you have the guts. I know why you are here.
Clear Spirit Awakening for massive EXP. Obtained a powerful spirit. Now, deploy her in battle.
Ever since Daji brought ruin to Chalga, we foxes have borne the blame and locked ourselves away for centuries. I can't interfere in mortal affairs. All matters in the immortal world are under the jurisdiction of the Immortal Alliance. You can go to the Immortal Alliance leader, Transcendent Sword, Bong Qingzhuo, for help. Outside Qingqiu lives a reclusive expert who was once a member of the Immortal Alliance. He can send you to the Immortal Alliance.
Halt! Where are you going? Since it's the Holy Master's word, you may pass. But be careful, an ancient mythical beast is hidden inside!
Well, wasn't I amazing just now? Instantly evolved into sacred spirit form and snatched the beast. What's happening? Boo-hoo. I don't have enough spirit energy to maintain my sacred spirit form. Boo-hoo. I don't have enough spirit energy to maintain my sacred spirit form.
Uncle is right inside. I hope for the fox's sake, Uncle won't kick you out.
My flying boat is moored by the river. Go on.